Hi, and welcome to this week's episode of Audio Trek, a relaxing morning with a light rain and early birds chatting. Join me, your host, Ken Sipes, as we explore the natural world around us. Today, I stopped along the Natchez Trace Parkway, overlooking the Duck River Valley about an hour south of Nashville. It's about 6:30 in the morning, and not only are the birds beginning their day, but the sheep across the valley are making their way down towards the river. Layered with the morning birds, we have the sounds of a morning rain. While it has been raining for the last 14 hours, this morning the clouds are moving away as we experience the last of the storm. Looking out over the valley, we do see the morning fog slowly lifting off the hills. I love the combination of a gentle rain bouncing off the metal roof as we hear the morning birds chatting as they begin their day. I can imagine myself waking up to these sounds, rolling over in bed, and drifting off for just a little bit longer. All right, enjoy. Now, in addition to the original 60-minute audio podcast, be sure to check out the Explorer and Magellan Circle supporter area for the 60-minute videocast or the 180-minute audio podcast. Details for these and all the podcasts are available on our website, audiotrek.io. AudioTrek. Relax, explore, meditate, and sleep.